Good morning, everyone. Today we learn about combination circuits, adders, and subtractors. So, what is adder? Adder is a circuit, arithmetic circuit, which performs addition. Okay, which performs addition operation of two binary numbers only. Let us see one example. I am adding two numbers, 1 1 plus 0 1. I am taking two numbers. I am performing addition now. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means what? 2 in decimal. But in binary, 2 means 1 0. So this is sum. So you're writing here. And this carry is given to here, right? In school level, you do like this only, right? So again 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 0, 2. That is equal to 1, 0. So 0 is here, 1 is here. Like this, you perform addition. So what you observe directly output, output, output. These two are sum, this one is carry. Okay. Now see, these two, first you are adding only two numbers, two bits only, two single bits, right? One digit, one bit numbers. 1 bit plus 1 bit means you are adding two 1 bit numbers, right? And next three 1 bit numbers, three 1 bit numbers. So addition of two 1 bit numbers is called half adder. Okay, addition of three 1 bit numbers is full adder. And after observing here, see, this is half adder, right? This is full adder. Full adder, half adder, right? What you giving for two adder, two inputs you giving, and also you get two outputs, right? Sum and carry. Sum, this carry is given to what? This full adder, right? You giving this carry is to full adder, so full adder and two inputs, and sum is here, carry is here. Okay, so this entire circuit is called parallel adder. Means at a time we getting result. So also known as ripple carry. Why ripple carry? Because the first output carry is given to second one. Like this carry, if you have 3 bits here, we get another adder here. This carry is given to here. If you have 4 bits here, we have 4 adders. This carry is given to here, like this. So we called it as ripple carry adder. Okay. So adders are classified into three types: half adder, full adder, parallel adder, or ripple carry adder. So what is half adder? Half adder means already said 2 bit addition. Two 1 bit additions, right? So how many inputs you get? Two inputs, half adder, x and y. Outputs sum and carry. Sum and carry, right? So let us form the truth table. To design this circuit, now you are designing half adder. You know the concept. Now I want digital circuit for this half adder. Okay, I am designing circuit. So this is the block diagram. Step 1. Step 2, truth table. Right? Write the truth table. X, Y, sum, carry. Decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 0. Inputs 0, 1, 1, 0, So 0 plus 0 means what? 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 0, 1. Right? Sum is 1, carry is 0. Right? Next 1, 0 means 1, 0. 1, 1 means 1, 0. This is sum. This is carry. So sum is 0, carry is 1. So truth table also you return. Next, write expressions. Third one. S is equal to what? Once belongs to sigma 1 comma 2. Next, carry is equal to sigma 3. So next, Boolean expressions. Minimization of Boolean expression. So S is equal to sigma 1 comma 2 means x bar y plus x y bar. What is this mean? XOR operation. C means sigma 3. 3 means 1 1 means xy. Okay. This is the fourth step. Next, fifth step. What is fifth step? Draw the circuit, logic circuit. Two ways you can write. I am drawing this one. X or Y. XY means XOR. Next, XY means AND gate. This is XOR gate. This is AND gate. Some carry. X, Y. Okay. I am putting dots means there is connection. Here there is no connection. So dot means connection. This X is only I am giving here. This Y only I am giving here. Okay. This is the one circuit. Another circuit. Using this expression I am drawing this expression. X, Y. Y bar X. So this is X bar Y. This is X Y bar. Now I am adding using adder circuit. Sorry, OR operation. This plus means OR operation, right? So this is sum. And one more is XY. That is carry. X, Y. Okay. This mostly this circuit is main circuit. Okay. This is secondary circuit. You can write both, but this is main circuit. Okay. What is the next step? Sixth step. Implementing using NAND. Sometimes they will ask this one as using NAND. Step 6. Using NAND. To implement using NAND, we use this one only. Okay. No, XOR using NAND. You already know that one. Right? Already you practiced that one previously. So I'm drawing directly. I'm drawing directly. X, Y. So this is sum operation. X XOR Y. So S is equal to X XOR Y. Now you design this one. Now this see AND gate using NAND means you already know, right? C is equal to XY. Have you observed this NAND XY whole bar? This is XY whole bar, right? This is already available here. See, XY whole bar. XY is given. This NAND is available here. So, shall we take another time this one? No need to take this one. So, just simply give connection from this one. You give connection from this itself. Okay, directly you can give. Then what happens? XY whole bar you get here. So directly XY. So this is the half adder final circuit. Okay, half adder. Okay, once again I'm saying, listen carefully. So half adder means 2-bit additions, 2 single-bit addition. So we have 2 inputs of each 1 bit and sum and carry. Truth table. So this is the truth table for it, right? 0 0 means sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 1 sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 0 sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. So we get equations like this: XOR plus Y, XY. So final circuit for this one. Okay. So we consider second circuit as main circuit. Okay. Next, full adder. So full adder means 3-bit addition, right? Full adder means 3-bit addition. So first, what are the inputs we require here? 3 inputs, right? And 2 outputs. For addition, always 2 outputs, sum and carry. So draw the block diagram. Full adder. 1, 2, 3. 2 outputs, sum, carry. X, Y, Z. So this is first step. Second step, truth table. So write the truth table. Decimal number X, Y, Z, sum, carry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 0 to 7. So first write 3 bit means 3 inputs. So write binary number up to 7. 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 means 0. So sum is 0, carry 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 0. Again single number is available here. So 1 0. Next 0 plus 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 means 1 0. Right. So this is sum. This one is carry. So sum is 0, carry is 1. Again 1 bit is there. So 1 0. Two numbers. Two ones means this one. Right? 0 1 0 1. Next 3 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 means what? 3. 3 in this binary? 1 1. So sum is 1, carry is 1. So step 3. Boolean expressions. So what is the equation of sum? Check once where available ones. 1, 2, 4, 7, right? So 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7. Carry 3, 5, 6, 7. So sigma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, right? Next, what is the first step? Minimization. Minimization of expressions. So calculate for S. X, Y, Z. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 2, 4, 7. So all are singles. So write expression directly. 1 means min term 1 means x bar, y bar, z. 2 means x bar, y, z bar. 3 next 4 x, y bar, z bar. Next 7 x, y, z. Now see, I am taking x bar common here. Next x common here. Observe this one. This is XOR operation, right? So y XOR of z plus this one is XNOR operation, right? XNOR means XOR complement, right? Now I am taking this one as k. X bar k plus xk bar means x XOR of k. See again this one looking as XOR operation. X XOR of k means what? Y XOR of z. So sum equation is what? X XOR y plus z. Okay. Next carry. X Y Z 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. For carry what are they? 3 5 6 7. 3 5 6 7. Now first I am taking one pair. So this is one pair. What is expression? Common term is x. From these two common one is y. So xy plus now I am taking this one. Common is x. From these two common is z. Next this one. So yz. Xy plus y. Okay, this is the carry expression. Right? Now you have to draw the circuit. You can draw XOR operation, 3 input XOR. You can write directly like this. X, Y, Z, that is equal to sum. You can draw like this also, or 2 input X, Y and Z. Sum. You can write like this also, no problem. You can draw like this or like this. Next XY means 1 and Z. Next XZ. Next YZ. No? performing OR operation. So this is carry. Okay. So this is the final circuit. Like this you have to do for full adder. Okay. Using NAND, try yourself. Before using NAND, I am saying one more. Have you observed this one? See, have you understood this one up to here? Okay. Now see, while performing 3-bit addition, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. What is this one? 2-bit addition, right? So this one is half adder. After performing this half adder plus 1 means one more half adder. So full adder can be implemented using two half adders, right? Yes. So we can design like this circuit. See, half adder, first half adder, and second half adder. X, Y. For second adder, we giving Z. Then what is first input? Output of this one, right? Sum. Sum is given to here. So sum carry. Here one carry is available, right? Here also one carry. So those two carries we give OR operation. If you give OR operation, then we get final expression xy plus yz plus xz. X or y. So this is the full adder using two half adders plus one OR gate. Okay, let us see inside the circuit. What is half adder? Right? This is the half adder circuit. XY. Now, again one more half adder we getting. Right? For this case, what we giving? Z. And this half adder output is given to C. Two inputs. One is sum, another one is Z. So this sum is what? X, X or Y, right? Same thing is given to here also. X, X or Y. Now what you doing? This one is Z. Carries. First carry and second carry is given to OR gate. Right? Is given to OR gate. So OR gate. This is the final expression. This is the final S. So let us getting this one or not. See. This one is X or Y, right? Z. X or Y plus Z. Next carry. What is this output here? X or Y into Z, right? This one is XY. Now both are given to OR operation. See, X or Y into Z plus XY, right? This must be equal to XY plus YZ plus XZ. Means These two must be equal. Let us minimize this one. Let us find this one. See, I am expanding this one. What is this one? X bar y plus y bar z. Sorry, y bar x into z into xy. Now multiply this one. X bar y z plus xy bar z plus xy. Okay. Now let us see. Minimize the expressions. See. Now I am taking here xy. Here z is missing, right? So I am putting 1 plus z here because xy into 1 is equal to xy, right? 1 plus z means 1. So the 1 is replaced with 1 plus z here. Now multiply xyz. Okay. Now observe these two expressions. Take common yz. What happen? X plus x bar. Right? Now xy plus yz plus xy bar z. Because x plus x bar is equal to 1. So I am replacing this one with 1. Now again, now I am replacing this one with into 1, right? I am replacing this one with 1 plus x. This one with 1 plus x into yz plus x bar yz. Yz plus xyz plus xy bar z. From these two terms, I am taking xz common. What happens? Y plus y bar. Y plus y bar is 1. So xy plus yz plus xz. We get this expression, right? So this is the final expression. So this is the full adder using two half adders. So this is the circuit. Remember the circuit carefully. So two half adders with one OR gate. Okay. Once again I am drawing the circuit. See. See, once again repeating. Full adder means 3-bit addition. So truth table is XYZ SC. Okay. So some equation is X or Y Z. C is XY plus YZ plus ZX. You can draw anything. I am using XOR operation. I draw the circuits. Okay. Now full adder using two half adders. See, this is the circuit. So this is one half adder. So sum equation and carry equation. You get like this. So observe here. This is one half adder. This one is second half adder. So XOR operation is given to directly here and Z. Okay. And expression. Solve the expression. C can be written as like this. XY plus YZ plus ZX. Sorry, this one is ZX. So XZ. Next is ripple carry adder. I already explained this one. So it is a parallel adder, cascading and full adders. See, observe one thing. Once again, I am saying if I am taking 1 0 1 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 here 1. Here I am taking 3-bit addition, right? Means full adder. First one is half adder. But instead of using half adder like this block diagram, full adder, half adder. Instead of using half adder here, I am taking full adder with initial carry always 0. Means 3 inputs I am giving here, right? So one input always fixed to 0. Some carry. This carry is given to here. Some like this, right? So initial carry for the first addition, initial carry is always 0. So I am taking full adder with initial always 0 so that it is easy to cascade with full adders only, because for full adder we have an IC 4-bit full adder 4 7483 is 4-bit full adder IC, means it can add 4 bits, and full adders means 4 full adders like this. 4 full adders is available IC. Okay, like that we can do the parallel addition. See, cascading and full adders. The output of carry is propagates from one stage to another stage. See, like this. First full adder output carry is given to second full adder input. Okay, like this you have to generating this circuit. For n full adder we required n bits. Sorry, n full adder circuits for n bit additions. For 6-bit addition we required 6 full adders. For 4-bit addition we required 4 full adders. See here how many bits are available in this addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we required 7 full adders. Okay. Output may consist of how many bits? 7 plus 1 extra bit, that is carry. Total 8 bits. Okay, to perform two 7 bits addition, two numbers each of 7 bit, we get output max 8 bits only, right? That is 8-bit addition. Okay, this is the adders, up to adders.